Hey developers, are you looking to integrate powerful cloud solutions into your web apps without breaking a sweat? In today's video, I will show you how to use Amazon services. First of all, identify which Amazon service suits your app's needs. For example, you can use the AWS Lambda, right, for running code without managing servers, perfect for event-driven apps, or Amazon S3 to store and retrieve files like images or videos, or DynamoDB, a fast and flexible NoSQL database for scalable apps. Choose what aligns best with your app's goals. In my case, I'm choosing Amazon S3. Okay, you could go ahead to the official website aws.amazon.com and create a free account. AWS offers a free tier for most services, giving you plenty of room to experiment without extra costs. Okay, you can go ahead and start creating account, right? And basically add your root user email address and AWS account name, or sign in to an existing AWS account. In my case, I don't have one, right? Because I don't use an app, but if you do, please do. Okay, and basically afterwards you're gonna be able to test and deploy, right, before launching your app. Test integrations locally or on staging environment. AWS also offers development tools like Code Deploy and Amplify hosting to get your app live with ease. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to use Amazon services in your apps. Whether you're a beginner or experienced developer, these tools can save you time and boost your app's capabilities. Do not forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions or tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.